Hello, welcome to the Weather Hazard Briefing presented by National Weather Service Pocatello for Monday, Memorial Day, May 27th. Here's what you'll see in this briefing. We have a high pressure ridge over eastern Idaho. This will boost temperatures today compared to yesterday, about 8 to 12 degrees, and another 8 to 12 degrees for tomorrow, Tuesday. So that means widespread 70s in lower elevations today, and many low elevations should cross the 80-degree threshold on Tuesday. That'd be the first time since last autumn. Thunderstorm risk does, though, return on Tuesday afternoon, including a marginal risk of some severe thunderstorms in the most northern part of our area. And then a trough will arrive Wednesday night, which is what's triggering the thunderstorms on Tuesday afternoon. This trough should increase winds, especially on Wednesday afternoon, where there is a potential for a wind advisory to be issued. We're looking for cooler temperatures on Wednesday. Should also bring rain and return the thunderstorm threat. So here's the latest satellite. You can see it's mostly fog here in the eastern Pacific and not much going on over especially southern Idaho. And you can see our next storm sort of out here. They'll be coming in a couple days. So nothing really going on today. There is a slight chance of some evening thunderstorms, with the exception of Lemhi County, where there's a chance of thunderstorms. Some of these places would only be in the evening, like the Snake Plain, the Magic Valley, the southern highlands, and the eastern highlands. Then on Wednesday, that's when the trough swings through. Again, very windy in the afternoon in the Snake River Plain. It'll be windy in the Magic Valley and the South Hills. So not expecting that to reach wind advisory level, but it should in portions of the Snake River Plain. There's also a risk of thunderstorms. You could see it's not so much in the southwestern corner of our area, but the Snake Plain, some of the South Hills, a chance of thunderstorms in the southeast highlands and the eastern highlands and Lemhi County, and then a slight chance in the rest of the central Idaho mountains. By Thursday, the risk of showers, there's no more thunderstorm activity expected, and so there's just a slight chance along the Montana border, in the Lost River area, in the Sawtooth area, and then in a chance of showers in Lemhi County. Then by Friday, there's even less shower coverage, just a slight chance of showers in the eastern highlands and in Lemhi County along the border with Montana. So let's start. Temperatures this morning, starting out pretty mild. No risk of frost here in the Snake River Plain, with temperatures right around 40 degrees. And just some isolated areas below freezing, like Stanley and some of these central Idaho mountain basins. And here's what we're looking at for the weather pattern for today. High pressure definitely in control. The next front by 8 a.m., as you can see, it'll be just crossing through the Puget Sound area. Highs today will be warmer. We were in the 60s for the most part yesterday. We should start to see widespread 70s, even in places like Stanley. And then overnight on Tuesday morning, or tonight, Monday night, skies will continue to be clear, so temperatures a little bit warmer than the day before. Okay, you could see by Tuesday, these lows are getting closer to Idaho, but not quite here. So there is a trigger of a marginal risk, which is basically 5 to 15% chance of some severe thunderstorms. It penetrates as far south as portions of Custer County, includes a lot of Lemhi County as well, which does not show up on this presentation. And everywhere in our area, we are under a risk of general thunderstorms. Rainfall amounts, you can see it's mostly during the day on Tuesday is limited to the western half of our area. High temperatures on Tuesday. we are looking at finally, since last September, October of last year, we should start seeing some 80-degree temperatures registering. And then Tuesday night, obviously with the warming and increase in cloud cover, temperatures are a lot more mild than they've been lately. Some places not even getting below 50. And finally on Wednesday, you can see the rain showers starting to show up again. Here's the cold front at 8 a.m. where it'll be dragging through. And so this is when we're going to have some showers triggered and the winds. So here they are Wednesday morning where the rain should be. And you can see the rain is really light here. There's very few places that get over 1/10 of an inch. And the winds on Wednesday, though, will be the thing to look out for. These are the gusts. In excess of 40 miles an hour would be wind advisory. You can see that is a widespread area. And then Wednesday night, more of the same. High temperatures on Wednesday. You can see how much it plunges. We were in the lower to middle 80s. Now we can barely reach 70 degrees and a lot of upper 60s. So you're looking at a 10 to 15 degree temperature drop. And low temperatures on Thursday morning. Again, cloud cover keeping in. Also being breezy, probably too, will also help keep temperatures elevated. And so pretty much right around 40 with the exception of where the cold air has sunk in and the temperature or the winds will be less. Places like Stanley Basin where it should get below freezing once again. That's all I have. If you have any further questions, you can always contact us at this telephone number here. Or check out the weather yourself at weather.gov/Pocatello. Thanks for watching.